Hi, girls.
Good morning again.
I know. It's been a productive morning.
Peter.
Peter? This is Patrick.
Door's unlocked.
That's fucking cute.
Mouth.
Services?
So,
Rendered?
we need to get some adjustment on that, because if you watch... So, we'll get that adjusted.
Yeah. A lot of nothing going on here.
Yeah, there's... Because that's kind of sticking and it's not supposed to, so it probably just needs to be cleaned up. So, not a big deal.
Like my mouth.
Yes, your mouth does need to be cleaned up. We all need to do that, but that's neither here nor there. So, here we go. Add power again, because the battery's been charging. So, here's driver's side.
We ain't got nothing.
Here's driver's side rear.
Yeah, we're working.
Okay, so we're good, right? Driver's side front, driver's side rear.
Nothing on passenger rear.
Nope.
What about the wings? Oh, that worked a minute ago.
No. Ready?
What in the hell? So, that's cute. Wait, did I hear something?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, do that again.
You mean that? Yeah. So, we've got to do some diagnosis on the wiring.
Scotty gets to take doors apart.
Yay!
I already did it on vans.
It's my favorite thing in the world.
Oh yeah, you got to put that back together, by the way.
I know. Does this have a security system?
No, that's the parking brake light.
No.
Oh, door ajar. Your door.
It's not a jar, it's a door.
Your door is ajar. I have to pay to wipe the poo-poo off the seat.
Barking spiders, what can I say?
Yep.
All
right, so that's
Monsieur Patrick. We will get you taken care of. So a little bit more diagnosis on it. I mean, we'll at least get the top up, which I'm very happy about.
Yeah, that's done. That's
I
good.
definitely would like to see maybe some cleaning on the line, stuff like that, fluid exchange.
We do need to replace the fluid for sure.
Oh yeah,
I want to go through it more and double check things for leaks, and then if we have big issues, then we call.
While we're at
Lincoln Whisperer. Dun, dun, dun,
check the brakes.
Check the brakes.
Let me know when you're ready.
Hit it. Yeah, you got brake lights, bud.
Okay.
Left turn sequential. Woo. Right turn sequential. Woo. Left turn sequential.
Okay, where's hazards on this?
The Dukes of?
Oh. Where's the hazard button?
Are you okay?
Uh-huh.
You're
Locked up.
Your elbow locked up? Is that your whacking
Let's
out?
do lights. Lights on the front.
We got lights back here.
Okay.
Turn signal. Other turn signal. Brake lights. Backup lights.
Okay, yeah, then we're...
Are you doing the high beams?
Scotty has his high beams on all the time.
High beams.
Okay, we have one out on the driver's side.
Oh yeah, we checked this when we did the inspection.
Ready? Back to lows.
Yeah.
High.
Hi, how are you?
Just,
Good.
Driver's side high is out.
Okay, and then back to low. Okay. So, we're doing pretty good.
That makes me happy.
Yes, very much so. Tops up. We got to do a little bit of double checking.
We have a little checklist for our windows. That's
Yep.
good.
I'll
let's write that down. Make a little note.
Yep. This way I know what we've got.
And then.
But yeah, tops up. 2 of the 4 windows are up.
Hey, halfway there.
And we'll have to double check and see what's going on with
there. And then we can start disassembling here to get ready to pull this to reseal this engine. Because it's at that point, it's actually going to be easier to pull it.
Yeah.
To reseal it than it is to try to do it in the car. It's actually going to be faster. And we can get to those motor mounts to handle that situation. Anyway, all right, here we go.
And we will have you smiling. What do we say?
Deuces.